How you doing? My name is TreniuS and you're tuning into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing it right. So I'm about to tell you how to use I am affirmations to have powerful confidence and to be able to attract wealth, success, and health. Now, after this video, you will know how to have extremely powerful confidence, okay? So if you were not as confident before you started watching this video, that's over. That's the past. Now, I'm about to tell you how to use I am and add it into an affirmation so that you will have extremely powerful confidence after this video and forevermore. Now, you need to have really powerful confidence if you want to attract wealth, okay? If you want to attract success in your life, and if you want to have really great health, you have to have an extremely powerful confidence, okay? And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. Stay tuned. But first and foremost, I want to tell you what I am means. A lot of people say, well, why I got to attach I am to like a professional soccer player? I am a professional soccer player. Why I got to use an affirmation like that to help me be more confident? I'm going to tell you what I am derives from, okay? For those of you who don't know, biblical texts, biblical scriptures, there's a story in the Bible, okay? I didn't understand it growing up when I was reading scriptures in the Bible. I had no idea what none of this meant, you know? But I didn't know until now what I'm about to tell you. And so it was a character in one of the stories. His name was Moses, right? Now, Moses was an ordinary, average person like me and you know? But one day, Moses was traveling up a hill or something that they described as a mountain. As a matter of fact, the mountain was called Mount Herob, H-E-R-O-B, okay? And then all of a sudden, out of the middle of nowhere, Moses saw a bush. Now imagine a bush, it was burning and it was on fire, but the fire was not burning the bush. Now just imagine if you saw something like that, you know, broad daylight, nobody's around, you're in the woods or something, you know, with your dog or something, and you see a bush that is just burning and it's on fire, literally, but the leaves are not being burned up. The bush is not turning black or nothing. It was just burning for some strange reason. And so it struck Moses. He was astonished. He was shocked. He was baffled. So Moses said, just like me and you would say to something that if we saw something like that, like, what in the heck is this? How is this possible? Who are you? And so that's when the scriptures state that the bush spoke to Moses. Now, nobody was around. You know, this is one of those supernatural things that happen that I know all of you can have something that happened in your life that, you know, you can't explain because everybody won't believe you. This is that type of situation. So the bush said to Moses, I am who I am. I am who I am. And this bush was God, but it was God telling Moses, I am who I am, because Moses had wondered, you know, who are you? What is this? What's going on here? So what the burning bush, God, what I am who I am did in that moment was they gave Moses a special mission. You know, God told Moses that he was the one that was going to lead the Israelites out of Egypt into Canaan, you know, because the Israelites in the scriptures, they were being suppressed, held down. They were feeling frustrated. They wasn't as confident in the land of Egypt because things were just going wrong there. You know, it's like a country with a really bad government and things are just chaos. So God instructed Moses from the burning bush, I am who I am, to lead the Israelites out of Egypt into a land called Canaan. Okay, now what does that have to do with I am affirmations? Now, when you attach anything to I am is God, folks. Just like he appeared to Moses in the burning bush. I am is basically God telling himself that I am who I am. So when you attach anything to this, to I am, you are confirming that that is who you are, okay? This is who you are. This is what you will do. I am a CEO. That's like God and you saying, I am a CEO. And anything is possible to him who believes, folks. Anything is possible for God. I mean, for God, crying out loud, he appeared in a burning bush that was burning but wasn't burning up and being consumed. God can be anything. So you can attach anything to I am. I am a business owner. So think about the story of Moses, folks, when you think about I am and you start to use these affirmations. The whole objective of Moses' life was he had to lead the Israelites from Egypt into Canaan. It's the same way when you're using I am affirmations. The reason why these affirmations are so powerful, when you put anything behind I am, you're basically leading yourself from being where you don't want to be to where you want to be. I am getting richer and richer every day. I am in my new home. Now, you might feel like the Israelites when they was in Egypt, because it might feel like everything around you is just crumbling down. You don't see any way for success. You don't even know how you could change your health right now and have greater health. You don't know how you can make your bank account have extreme amounts of wealth. But all you got to do is say, I am a professional boxer. You might be an amateur boxer, but it was a guy, he's #1 in the world right now, lightweight boxer. His name is Floyd Mayweather. I watched a video of him quite some time ago. Don't you know that he was so good as an amateur boxer, they would not let him go on into a higher league or level of boxing. And he said to himself, I am a professional boxer in an interview. He was still an amateur at the time, but he said, I am a professional boxer. You know, I deserve better. You know, they should let me fight professionally. I am a professional boxer. Floyd Mayweather was using the power of I am. Floyd Mayweather was using God, was confirming within himself, the God in him, what he already knew he wanted to be. I am a professional boxer. I am a professional ice skater. Whatever you put behind I am, folks, that's what you become. Now, just like Floyd Mayweather, at the time, you might not appear to be a professional boxer. But if you keep saying I am a professional, you know, whoever, whatever, if you keep saying I am this and I am that, folks, over a course of time, you're going to be exactly what you are applying to I am. You know, if you say I am wealthy, you will eventually become wealthy if you continuously use it. See, the whole purpose of using I am is to get you where you want to be. But the thing that I am is doing, folks, is getting down into your subconscious mind, and it's making you believe that that's what you really have, or that's where you really want to relocate to. You know, you're saying I am this, I am that. So many people use I am every single day, but they use it unconsciously. You know, meaning they don't know that they're calling themselves, you know, they are calling themselves names using I am that they are not. You know, I am worried. I am afraid. I am scared. You know, I am sick. People are using God and confirming God in them for sicknesses. You know, they're confirming God in them for things that they don't want, and they don't realize that they are using I am to talk down on themselves. Okay, so if you want to really use I am, you know, and you really want to be extremely confident, you got to be aware, first of all, that you're even using I am. So there will be times where you might say, you know, I am not fit to have this, or so. It might be times where you're unconscious and you don't know I am not the type of woman that he likes. You know, if you are aware that you are saying these low vibratory affirmations, if you become aware, you're already ahead. You're already ahead of the game, okay? Now, only thing you got to do is not only catch yourself saying all the bad things, but you have to say good things now, consciously using I am. The best time to use I am is when you're in a bad position. You know, when things are going wrong. Because you know why? This is the time that most people think. I mean, when things go wrong for me, I'm usually thinking as hard as I can so I can get out of that situation. This is the time you're really using your mind power to really get yourself out of the situation. You know what I'm saying? So this is the perfect time when things are going wrong to use I am affirmations. Now, once again, you might still be in Egypt. You might still be an Israelite, but you're still in Egypt in the midst of your problems. But if you continue to use I am, folks, I am will help you get from out of Egypt into the land of Canaan if you continuously say it. Because what it's going to do is this power of I am, folks, is going to override your situation. It's gonna override it. It's like a new computer program that you're speaking into the existence to override everything that you experience that you don't like. It's the power of God, folks. Even God said it in that story that I just told you. God called himself, I am who? I am. I am who? I am. So when you say I am, you are basically saying, folks, you are God just in physical form. You know, you are God, just the spirit of God is within you. You know, I am. If you say I, you are basically saying that's you. I want to go to the store. I want to be over there. I want to buy this. I am going to the store. You know, and that's one thing that I also want to tell y'all folks before I close out this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it's resonating with you folks, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below something that you want to apply to I am, the power of God. And I am, folks. I am. Speak or let your voice be heard below. Apply something after I am, and that's what you will become. So the thing that I wanted to let you know, folks, was when you're using I am, when you're using the power of I am. Now, this is not something that you're going to see happen overnight, okay? This is not something that you're going to see happen like the next day. But for some, it does, because it depends on your amount of willpower that you have. It depends on your mind power. It depends on your belief. You know what I'm saying? But what you have to do is get in the habit of speaking it into existence. Just speaking it into existence. I am this. I am that. I am. Now, you might not understand, folks, but that's practically fine. It's okay. You're never going to really understand the things that you are saying not being able to be seen at the moment. You might not see the things that you're saying, you know, but you have to continuously get in the habit of saying I am and apply your affirmations to it. And then over time, if you continuously do this, you will notice that your confidence will begin to rise. Your confidence will begin to rise. And all the negative energy, negative feeling that you've been feeling about yourself will begin to just go away. You know, all the problems will just begin to evaporate and just go up and go away, folks. And you won't even think about negative things anymore, because now you're not saying I am, you know, whatever bad thing you apply to I am. Now you're saying I am all the great things, all the good things about yourself. And so many people don't know this power, but now that you know how to use this I am affirmations to have extremely powerful confidence, now you will be able to attract wealth, success, and health, okay? I'm TreniuS Henderson of the infamous Living Realm Network, folks. Please make sure you subscribe up here. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every 24 hours. Just click this little face icon up here of me, and you'll be able to watch new videos every 24 hours. Make sure you click the bell notification too, so that you can get the notification on your phone as soon as I make another upload. Now, if you want to know 3 powerful forbidden affirmations that you never even heard of, if you want to hear 3 forbidden affirmations that will help you attract money, click this video right here if you want to attract money and you want some more affirmation that you can know in order to attract money. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.